everyone, it's me Joyce and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I am going to share with you some helpful tips for those visa applicants coming for the very first time in the United States. And also I am going to share my own personal experiences on what to expect, and hopefully this will help you to be more confident on your journey. So let's get started. I think it is already within us Filipinos, before we're going to do something, we always start with a prayer. So my first tip would be to pray. So take a moment to pray, ask guidance and protection from God. It will help you to calm your nerves, and also it will give you peace of mind for your safe trip. Tip number two would be prepared all your documents. So make sure all your documents are ready. So it should be composed of your passport with your US visa, your plane ticket, your CFO confirmation letter, your yellow packet, and your e-travel registration. And lastly, just in case that the immigration officer will going to ask you for some proof of documents with your relationship with your fiancé, you can also bring the documents that you bring during the interview at the US Embassy. So it is always much better for you to be over prepared than to miss something, which is very important. Third tip would be arriving early at the airport. So I recommend arriving 6 hours or 5 to 6 hours before your flight, because some counters have long lines, especially for check-in baggage. So arriving early saves you from stress. So once you have your boarding pass, go through security, and keep your passport and other documents handy. Fourth tip would be confident and smile when you are facing the immigration officer. I think it is normal for us to be nervous because this is the first time that we are traveling to the United States. But don't panic and don't give him the idea or her the idea that you don't know what you are doing. So hand him or her over your passport, your plane ticket, and your confirmation letter. So, huwag mo siyang bigyan ng idea na ay hindi niya alam yung ginagawa niya kasi ito lang yung binigay niya. So, hingi pa ako ng ibang document. So, huwag mo siyang bigyan ng idea na gano'n. So, yung sa case ko, this yung immigration officer nagtanong lang sa akin kung under K1 visa ba ako, kasi binigay ko na sa kanya yung passport ko, yung confirmation letter, at saka yung plane ticket ko. Tapos, nakatingin talaga ako sa kanya as in a smile. Yung parang confident pa ako pero nanginginig ako, guys. Sobrang lamig ng kamay ko. So, yun lang, nagtanong na siya sa akin kung under K1 visa ba ako. Tapos, tatak na. Tapos, fifth tip would be go to your gate directly. So, I recommend this one kasi minsan sa atin mga Pilipino, alam natin na mahaba pa yung oras kung saan tayo napupunta. So, sa part ko, nire-recommend ko talaga, go to your gate directly para hydrated kayo, makakapagpahinga pa kayo. So, kung gusto niyo naman kumain, meron namang mga food stalls doon. At saka, minsan kasi nag-announce yung mga airport staff na may mga changes sa flight natin. At least aware tayo. Kaysa yung nagmamadali tayo na punta sa gate natin, hingal na tayo. Tapos nagpapanik na tayo. So, wag ganun. Yun yung iiwasan natin. So, once you arrive on your port of entry, which is the United States, my sixth tip would be don't be shy to ask from the airport staff, because there are different lanes for visitors, for immigrants, and for applicants. So, this will save you from confusion. So, ako talaga, kasi ayoko magmarunong, since first time ko pumunta dito, nagtanong talaga ako sa security, "Sir, I am under K1 visa, which lane should I go?" So, yun, tinuro niya na sa akin, pumunta ako doon kasi meron pang global, meron pang ganun, ang daming, kagaya lang din sa atin. So, kung pag hindi alam, wag mo marunong. Mas maganda na magtanong. Seventh tip would be honest when you are going to ask several questions from the immigration officer of the United States. So, gawin mo yung best mo, do your best to answer it honestly. So, they will going to ask you like your personal information, your birthday, your name, your address, and what case are you under. And also, they're going to ask several questions also with your fiancé, his birth date, his address, his phone number, his job, and also they are going to ask you your civil status, if you are already married back in the Philippines, or how many kids do you have. So answer those questions honestly. So after that, you can proceed to the baggage claim and claim your luggage and head out. So this is the most exciting part kasi nag-aantay na yung fiancé mo with chocolates and flowers and champagne. So, pag hindi mo pa alam kung saan ka lalabas, mayroong makikita kayong mga exit sign. And of course, don't be shy to ask questions sa mga security staff kung saan ka lalabas. Baka mapunta ka sa parking dahil hindi mo alam dahil wala doon ang tuwa mo dahil. So those are my tips and a glimpse of my personal experience as a first-time traveler to the United States. So I hope you find this video helpful for your journey to be prepared and to be more confident in coming to the United States. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this a like, share it to your friends, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Safe travels and God bless. Bye.